My name is Prosper Kelly Sobo, and I'll be working on the temperature warning system. And in this program, the program will ask the user to enter the temperature of an electrical cable, and then if the temperature is above 70 degrees Celsius, it will display that the cable is overheating. And then if it's less than the 70 degrees Celsius, it tell the user that the cable temperature is safe. So when we check line one of our code, we have the include IRS string, which imports the input or output library, which means it will allow a user to input data and then the program will bring an output that will be displayed. And then we have our using namespace over here too. So this is our main function where we are going to type the code that actually works over there. So we are using double temperature, and then the temperature will store the variable. And then we are using double because double stores decimal values. If there is no double and then we use float, it can't display uh, decimal values. So after that, we are going to use cout to tell the user to enter the temperature of the cable, and then we are storing it as degrees Celsius over here. So after telling the user to input the temperature of the cable, the cin over here will store it as a temperature, and then after that it will come and then using the if statement, it will check whether the temperature is more or less than 70 degrees. So the first thing we used was if temperature is greater than 70, it is going to print out that the cable is overheating, which is the line 12 of our code. And then we use end line, which means after showing that the cable is overheating, the program is going to move to the next line, and then our return zero over here will end the program. And then we told our program that else print out cable temperature is safe, which is line 16 of our code. Here we are comparing only two things, if it's greater than 70 or less than 70. So we are not going to use else if statement. We are just going to use the if statement and then the else statement. If the temperature is more than 70, it's going to print out cable is overheating. And then the only other thing that will also print is when it's less than 70, which is the else statement, and then we are going to show that the temperature is safe, and then our return zero is going to end the program. And then yes, let's run the program and see how it works. So the program is asking me to enter the temperature of the cable. So let's enter 90 and see what the program will tell us. So when I entered 90, since it's more than the temperature we use, which is 70, it's telling me that the cable is overheating. Let's run our program again and then enter a number less than that. So let's say 25. The program is telling me that my temperature, the cable temperature is safe. Thank you.